Now we need to go ahead and create a function to handle our price, our additive price. So we need to create a new function with the name calculate price. Okay, it's supposed to be const calculate price. And when we're calculating the price, we're going to just use our additives, because this price is related to whatever we are going to have here. It's not related to this price, the item price. So first we need to access our additives, and then from our additives we need to reduce sum. So here we need to just have a double bracket, right side of our double bracket, and we're going to, if there's nothing, then our price, our additive is going to be here. So whatever we're going to calculate, we're going to call it total, like that. So in here we're just going to return the sum. Okay, let's go ahead and return sum plus additive.price. Okay, it's supposed to be additive.price, but since it's a double, we're going to use pass float, and then we're going to add our additive.price. Okay, so that's going to be our function. So we need to call our function somewhere. So we're going to use effect. So to trigger this use effect, we're going to use additives. Any change in additives is going to trigger this use effect. Okay, so let's go ahead. Right inside, we need to go ahead and have to call our function calculate price here, and then we just close. So let's see, this is total. It's supposed to be, it's total price. Let's see, let's check how we are calculating the price plus total price. It's supposed to be total price. Let's go with total. It's a little bit confusing for now. Let's see. So here, let's go ahead and log the total 0.5. So we have our total 3. Okay, our function is working fine, but we need to get this total to be the same. We need to use this total in our price somehow. Okay, so what we can do, we need to set state after this. Okay, let's just go ahead and set state. Set total price. Here we're going to set total price to total. Okay, so everything is working fine. So we are done with this part. Let's go ahead, let's move on to our next page. This one we've already connected, so the only thing that's left is to just design. Our cart is working fine, our additives are working fine. Open the store, it's something that we have to do, we have to take care of a little bit later. Okay, we have to redirect to the store, but we can redirect when our application is, when we do have our REST API integrated into our application.